Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jessica here, and today we'll be showing you guys how we do our hot oil treatment, this time using our hair growth oil. So stay tuned. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my history with dandruff. Guys, I've always had dandruff and I've always had like a bit of a dry scalp, and I'll say that this actually started from when I was trying to transition to be natural, and I think that was about 8 years ago. My scalp became so dry and it actually never fully recovered, and this was actually one of the reasons why I never fully went natural, because I just had really bad scalp issues. My scalp become dry and I had flakes, I had dandruff. Until today I'm still suffering from that. But this is a treatment that I do pretty much every other month, just to make sure that my scalp health is A1. And our hair growth oil is just perfect for that. The reason why is because it contains things like peppermint oil, tea tree oil that are so good for your scalp health. It also contains other oils like olive oil that is good for the scalp, and it stimulates hair growth as well. Like, it has so many benefits. Guys, we have a video on our hair growth oil, and this is a very important video. If you've not watched it, please watch it. It has so many benefits. But I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment today with using this on my scalp. So guys, I'll also recommend a scalp detox. You can actually do this once a month, and this is so important for your scalp. This just helps to remove all the buildup, and you can do this so many ways. You can actually do this by using a hot oil treatment to just remove all the dandruff and the buildup. You could also steam your hair. This also helps to remove a lot of the dandruff and the buildup, and you could also use a clarifying shampoo. This could be stripping, but it really helps to cleanse your scalp and allow new growth to come through. So guys, now I have my hair in 4 twists, and this just allows me to be able to section my hair out. It allows for easy penetration of the heated growth oil, and that comes to my next point. You actually have to heat it up indirectly, meaning that I don't think you should put this in a microwave, and I don't think you should just actually pour this directly into a pot. You have to actually put it possibly in a plastic container, then use indirect heat. Anyway, we'll show you guys how to get it done. I'll be using this with hot water to show you guys how to actually heat this up indirectly. Whenever you heat it up directly, it kills the nutrients, so we always make sure we heat up our hair growth oil indirectly. I've actually brought it out of the hot water now. I just left it in for 5 minutes because I just don't want this to burn my scalp. I'm going to allow it to cool for a few minutes now. I think maybe like 3 minutes or maybe another 5 minutes, and I'll test it on my hand first to make sure that the temperature is just right. Then I'm going to apply this to my scalp. So guys, I've gotten a towel to wrap around my neck. This is really important because you'll find that the oil will be dripping down your neck, and in order to protect your clothing, you actually have to get a towel. I just usually use this hair crab to hold it in place, and now we're ready to put the hair growth oil on my scalp. So guys, you actually don't need a crazy amount of oil. You only need about 3 ounces. This is pretty much what I have, and it really depends on how thick your hair is. If your hair is thicker than mine, go ahead and use more oil. I think this is just suitable for my hair, so I'm going to actually just go into the sections, more so on my scalp, and actually put the oil. So once I've actually applied this on most of my scalp, also make sure to get the areas where you suffer from dry scalp and dandruff. I'm going to actually massage it in, then I'm going to put my hair in a plastic bag and then a bonnet. So guys, now that I've massaged it into my scalp, I'm going to actually put it in a shower cap. You can use a shower cap or a plastic bag, and I'm actually going to use our heated bonnet afterwards. If you actually have a steamer, that's amazing, and that will help you even more with your scalp. So I'm going to actually put this in a shower cap now. So guys, I'm finally done with massaging in my hot oil treatment. Now it's in the bonnet, and I'm going to actually wait for about 40 minutes so that this really penetrates through my scalp. Then I'm going to actually wash this off, and I'm going to deep condition my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you took something from this video. I love hot oil treatments because this really helps me with all the scalp issues that I have. So if you've actually tried a hot oil treatment before, leave a comment down below and let us know how beneficial this has been for you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.